welcome back guys to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say my house hot. It hot like a Scotch bonnet. PEPPA. Today guys, I am going to do a surprise seafood boil for my son and his fiance. The other day they were here and they were saying it's a long time now them don't eat any seafood boil. So I decided that I am going to make some for him and his fiance today because they're gonna stop by. So I decided that I'm gonna go out the street, go get some seafood. You know, I have some other stuff home and I'm gonna go get some seafood. And that is what I'm gonna make for the two of them and surprise them because them love seafood. But you know, the kind of seafood but them love, it's kind of different from the everyday seafood where you have the egg in it, you have the sausage in it. No, them not eat, them not like them something there. So this is gonna be a different kind of seafood where me are gonna make for them, and me are gonna make the famous sauce with it because I tell them to make a sauce and the sauce bad like a what. So I'm gonna make that sauce for them. So I'm gonna go to the street, go pick up the stuff that I need, and I'll be back and show you guys all of the stuff that I bought to make the seafood that they like. So I'll be right back at you. So guys, I am back from the store. So this is what I am gonna do. This is what I bought. I bought them some crab leg and I'm gonna do some shrimp because that's what they like. They like the crab leg and the shrimp. And then I'm gonna, for my sauce, it's gonna be a very special sauce, a different sauce. I like that sauce, they like that sauce. So for this sauce, I'm gonna use some sweet pepper, bell pepper, ball pepper, whatever we want to call it. I always call it the wrong name, so I'm going to use some sweet pepper. And I'm going to use 2 stalks of green onion. And here I have some corn, 2 corn. So guys, I'm going to use 5 potato, but my potato them is big. I am gonna cut them into 4 pieces. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna use for the seafood. And now for the sauce, I'm gonna use the green onion, bell pepper, and a zucchini, 5 cloves of garlic. So that's what I'm gonna chop up to do the sauce. So when I'm doing the sauce, I'm gonna put all the ingredients together and let you guys know the ingredients that I'm going to use to make my sauce. Alright, so I'll be back. So, alright, I am going to get into this seafood boil that I'm doing for these 2 kids that I have. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up the onion to do the sauce. So for the sauce, I'm going to use 1.5 white onion, sweet onion, whichever way you want to call it, but it's onion. I'm going to use 1.5 of that. I'm going to use half yellow and half a red. Okay. Everybody make them own seafood. Everybody make them seafood for them beer or them like it. I have to make it couple different way. I have to make it like how my children them like it. Some of them like sausage in it, some of them want egg in it, some of them want crawfish in it, you know. But Reef him now, him do not eat crawfish. Him and Christine them eat crawfish, so I can't put no crawfish. I already wash my peppers, my onion. I clean up my shrimp and my crab legs because I like to clean that up, you know. I don't like to do that on camera. I like to just clean it up first. So I did that already. So I'm just gonna cut these up and then gonna make these cook down to make my sauce. So before I go any further into this, I bring my gloves, wash my hand, put my gloves on. So I'm gonna cut up my onion. I'm gonna cut them up very, very small, so that them can cook and mash out to do the sauce or more on the sauce for do, you know, like to do the sauce. I'm doing this sauce. I tell you, you guys gonna enjoy the sauce. Every time I'm doing something, I don't put everything together because I gotta go get my liquid that I use to do that. But all of these gonna cook at the same time. I am now gourmet chef. We can do them chopper. Mama Joan cannot do those chopper. So that's my bell pepper. Now for my zucchini. I'm telling you guys, if you guys try this sauce, trust me, I'm gonna try and make this sauce like the jerk sauce, and I will enjoy it. Very nice sauce. And I also gonna use, I'm not gonna use one whole Scotch bonnet pepper because Reef can't take heat. Him is a wimp when it come on to spice. So I'm not gonna use a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just gonna use a half. So you can use any kind of pepper you like, but I like the Scotch bonnet pepper because the Scotch bonnet pepper give it that nice, wonderful flavor. Kind of using a smaller cutting board. Can't hold much thing, but it's still a work, you know. So anyway, guys, I went to Jamaica. I have a very nice time down there, you know, with my grandnieces and nephew. It was very nice. I enjoyed myself, but when I come back home to a shit show with Milo. Yes, Milo was very rude to Reef. Oh my God, he make mess all over the place and give Reef a warm time, you know, and I have to still come back here, come clean up after that boy. And all now, since I've been home, what he was doing when I wasn't here, him not do no more than that, you know. Him do none of that. Can't believe so that boy was such a mischief maker. For a flipping cat. But anyway, don't forget guys, you need a little piece of ginger. So you can't make a seafood and you don't have ginger and garlic in there. But you don't know Mama Joan already. So her head go, I saw it come. Sometimes she remember to say things and sometimes she don't. But trust me, she can cook. Turn my stove on already, so my pot is hot. So I should have some stick butter, but I didn't see none when I go downstairs. So I'm gonna use some Bessel butter, like 2 big scoop, I'm going to use because I need butter in the sauce. So this here is my Bessel butter, and I'm going to use two big scoop. Put this back on the fire here. Okay. Then I'm gonna dump all of this in there. This have to cook down. This is what it look like. So this have to cook down. So for my liquid, I'm gonna use 1 cup of Pro, Campbell Pro. I usually use the Campbell seafood, but I can't find any at the store. But that one can work, or the Tom Yum. So for that is that. So now I'm gonna get the dry ingredients. I do 1 tablespoon of garlic plus, and then I do 1 tablespoon of paprika. This one, it's ginger, garlic, and pimento, allspice mixed up in a one. So I'm just gonna use a half a teaspoon. Then for the lemon pepper now, I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. Lemon pepper is good because it have the lemon in it. And this one now, this is garlic and black pepper. This is 1 teaspoon. And then for the Old Bay now, I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of the Old Bay. And then the Creole, I'm gonna use a teaspoon. So that is that for my dry ingredients. So I'm gonna go check my onion, sweet pepper, and all of that. I have to cook for 20 minutes. And I let that cook for 20 minutes. So after that cook for 20 minutes, then I throw the dry season into it. And then after that, now then I throw the broth, and then that boil for 10 minutes. Then I start to put in the corn, the potato, and all of that. So this is this for the potato. So I'm gonna bring it over that side where everything is. So I'm finished with these now. So this now, sorry, is what I'm going to use to make the sauce. So I need this to cook for another 10 minutes, okay? And then I'm going to throw in the dry ingredients in it. You have to use a little bit of dry ingredients every so often, but it's not something that I like to cook with a lot because it's very salty. All of them, it's supposed to be garlic but salt in it. It's supposed to be black pepper but salt in it. So everything has salt in it, you know. So now I'm going to throw in this. I'm gonna give it 8 more minutes and then I'm gonna throw the liquid on it. Now this is my Scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm just gonna make a piece because it's hot like a mother, you know what? Hot like a motherfucker. So I'm just gonna lose a piece of it. This, when you eat this is gonna make you wanna slap your papa, you know? And I really don't want me to slap Papa Iron today. Because he go slap me. It's a slap your papa thing I do. And then I'm gonna throw in my liquid. And then I'm gonna put half a water in this, in the box, and throw it into it. So this is what it looks like now. So I'm gonna cover it and let it boil for another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna put in the corn and the potato and make that cook. Okay, guys, let's see the sauce. So when I make, I want finger licking good sauce, you know. So me I telling you, you know, you need to try it and trust me. Let me tell you, when you're done, you're gonna love it. You understand? Because it's all these vegetables are cooked, and when it's done cooking, I'm gonna just puree it. You know, throw it back in the pot, and then I'm going to put the crab meat in it, the shrimp in it, you know, the corn, the potato, and trust me, I tell you, it's going to be So this is what I do. I got a strainer. Now I'm going to take the veggie out. This I'm gonna puree, gonna set it aside, make it cool. I still have a little bit of vegetable leaving here, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna put the potato inside of the pot. For about 20 minutes, then we can put in the corn. Because corn not take no more than 10 minutes for cook. This is my Scotch bonnet that I grow during the summer. So I freeze it, so I have it to use during the winter. And it's good to do that. Plant some vegetable like tomato, callaloo, and then you freeze it and you have it for use during the winter. So my potato is cooked, so I'm going to take out my potato. Gotta be careful with this because I don't want to scratch the bottom of the pot. I'm gonna put the corn in. I need to put some water in it to cover the corn. Okay. So this I gonna cook for another 15 minutes. Put it on my timer. But what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna go do this puree, the vegetable to throw back in there to make the sauce. So this is the sauce now. I'm gonna puree this. The sauce, guys. See? So it's thick and rich. This is just the vegetable. My shrimp is ready. I'm gonna take my shrimp out. My battery died, so you guys never see me I put in my shrimp. Crab meat, them cook already, so them don't need no more than 5 minutes. Christine, I know for sure Christine is gonna eat these crab legs. Reef is only gonna eat the shrimp and the corn. No more than 10 minutes. And then when we're done, I'm gonna put everything together. So guys, see it here, everything in the pot. But my pot look like it's too small, like I needed a bigger pot, but put half of the sauce in it already, so I'm going to throw the next half of the sauce on top of it. So guys, I'm going to cover this now, make it simmer for another 5 minutes. Gotta take out some of it later on and then get some sauce to pour over it when it's done. Okay, so this is my new crab legs and shrimp seafood boil with this nice sauce that I'm gonna need for make. And try it and tell me if you don't like it, but me really want to know if you try it. Okay guys, So I'm gonna leave this here now. Okay guys, so now we come to the end of this seafood boil here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification, my belly things of mine, so you don't miss a post when I post. So anyway guys, me I dish this out now and me I get it ready. Me I listen for them for when they come. Okay, so gotta dig this up. Oh my god, I'm gonna enjoy this so much. I don't even know about Reed that much, but you know Christine for sure. I'm gonna enjoy the shrimp though, because as we said, it is a shrimp man. We have so much potato in the pot, so I'm gonna put some of them in this bowl. Yeah, put some shrimp over here, so some potato, some corn. Oh my god, I think I made a little bit too much. Guys, yes guys, them here, reef them here now. Rasta us. We just show the food guys, them come. Reef! Come here guys. How are you doing? Okay. Surprise! So we make you guys, we make some seafood because I heard you guys talking about it the other day. Say a long time we don't eat none, so we just decide, so you know what, I'm gonna go to the store today and buy some, just make just a little thing.
This looks big to me. Thank you, Mama Joan. Oh, that's so sweet. And she got the camera out.
She's struggling.
I'm struggling.
She's struggling.
I'm struggling, but I'm still doing my shit.
Yes.
You know what?
Thank you, Mom.
I heard them talk the other day, so them long time I eat a seafood boil. So I just decide to make them a little, because for them seafood boil is simple.
Yeah.
Them just want crab legs and shrimp. All Reef is going to eat is the shrimp. And Christine gonna eat the crab.
I'm gonna eat everything.
Yeah, she's gonna eat crab leg, the lobster and everything. But the boy Reef don't want it, so I'm just make the little simple one for them.
Yo, this is crazy. Y'all see this?
Oh my god. Y'all, if you were smelling the way that this smells right now, the fact that you could see it so vibrant, that should give you an understanding of just how good it actually is.
How it's about to taste.
It's very finger licking. It's more. I can't even tell you now. Because I have to give Milo, while I'm making it, I have to give Milo 2 shrimp to eat out of it.
You gave Milo something?
Yeah, because he were making nice, you know. So I gotta make him eat. You know?
Bro, when's the last time? I think the last time we had a seafood boil was
when you have the flip.
That you made it.
The buckle flip.
We did a
That must
video?
have been so long ago because I don't even know what that is.
What's a bottle flip?
You do a bottle flip live video.
Oh, that's
last year.
Was that last year or 2 years ago?
Before. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's been that long.
I met after that, but then you guys he wasn't here to eat none. It's just like me and Cyan and Granddad. But you know, I've make one for you guys in a long time.
It's so crazy because we're talking about this seafood place because Cyan got this seafood boil from Captain, where is it?
Captain
Boil or something.
Yeah.
And we're like, yo, that smells good. We need a seafood boil. We want it. And then boom, Mama Jones surprised us with a seafood.
You know, I love my boy and I love my girl. You know, that is my papers. I gotta take care of them, you know. Yeah. I wasn't eavesdropping in them conversation. I just hear them saying. I wasn't eavesdrop because sometimes them think when my thought them think me eavesdrop.
I think you should eavesdrop more often. I'll drop hints like, hey, don't you feel like some stoopies today?
Yeah.
I wonder, you know.
I'm doing that too. I'm making them some stoopies.
You're making stoopies?
Yes.
That's Kristen's favorite. That's Kristen's favorite stoopies.
I'm making some stoopies and I make that.
There's no way she's making stoopies.
Yes, look, come look.
There's no
I think we
way.
should live here.
I'm telling you. Come look.
Yes.
Some
Y'all
sardines,
see it,
some
man.
oxtail and some beef. That's it.
Yeah, y'all, we
No
spoiled.
chicken foot though. I don't have no flatters.
So that's good.
We don't want.
I don't have
chicken foot
no
anymore.
runners.
Yo, listen, man. Too much talking going on.
Okay.
I'm about to dig into
I'm gonna
this
eat the food before it gets cold.
You feel me? Yo, shout out to moms.
Yeah.
Shout out to Mom Dukes. Yeah, we eating good. Yeah, we eating good. Hey. Yay! Seafood dance, hey! Seafood dance, hey! Seafood dance, hey!
I'm gonna cook this more often. I'm gonna make this more often if they know, so that's what they're gonna do most of the time.
This is a scallop.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not really a scallop
You don't
guy.
like the scallops?
Not
Wait, let me
really.
find a shrimp. Hold on. Oh my
Just suck on that shrimp.
You see,
Okay,
Mama Joan
it's
always
so
tells me
sweet.
to just suck on the skin, but I can't do it.
She just eats it right. She eats it straight through the skin. She's
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy.
Be a little bit spicy, but it's not really spicy.
No, it's perfect.
Yeah.
all right, y'all. Potato.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. This is the perfect thing to come home with.
I look like I need that bib.
Yeah.
We need a bib.
Yeah.
Potato.
She need that bib.
I need a bit for sure.
Potato and corn.
Mm.
You better eat this.
Yeah.
Holla at y'all, man.
I'll let you know later.